Hi, dear everyone. This is a live example of deforestation. I am standing in one of the garden, and this tree has been cutted and uprooted from this garden so that there is a adequate space in this garden. The similar thing is happening with the solar power plants today in the today's world. This is a very rising concern that the people in the renewable energy industry or the people in the solar industry are cutting the forest to install the solar, and they are thinking that by doing this they are reversing the climate change, they are making the planet more sustainable. I just wanted to tell you that these trees are the live and the living examples of carbon sequestration, and whole of the renewable energy industry falls in the subdomain from the domain of the climate change. Climate change is a very wider domain, and the renewable energy industry is just a minute industry which is working for the benefit of the nature. But the people are cutting the forest to install the solar, and by doing this, the carbon sequestration is getting further reduced, because these trees which you are seeing are the living examples of carbon sequestration. They are capturing the carbon and they are storing the carbon beneath the trees. And beneath the trees there is a whole ecosystem which is called as the soil ecosystem. And that ecosystem, we have the ants, we have the earthworms, we have the other insects which are living. And that whole ecosystem is getting destroyed when the tree is getting destroyed. Further, the soil erosion is the biggest problem which is happening due to the deforestation, and the soil quality is also getting reduced as according to the Safe Soil movement. So I just wanted to tell you that being a solar engineer, I am totally worried about this all things which are happening in the today's renewable energy industry. And I just humbly request all of the renewable energy people that kindly, if you are having your own company or you are having your own industry, kindly see that no single tree is getting slaughtered because of the installation of the solar panels. Climate change is happening because of carbon emissions, which are increasing, and carbon sequestration which is getting decreased. Our motive is to do the reverse thing. We have to increase the carbon sequestration and decrease the carbon emissions. And by cutting the trees, you are decreasing the carbon sequestration, and therefore the carbon emissions is getting further increased. So it is my humble request, मेरी प्रार्थना है आप सबसे कि जितने भी लोग, the people who are doing the work in the solar industry, kindly see and kindly check every time that no single tree is getting slaughtered because of our solar power plants. I am also a solar engineer, and I am also a climate change educator, and I feel that by doing this, we are basically moving towards the self-destruction. Thank you.